All right, as you guys just observed, I have reactant 1 right here, which is calcium chloride. You guys will notice its appearance that you guys just again made observations on. And then this is sodium bicarbonate, or how you guys know it is baking soda. And I'm gonna show you guys this little experiment, which I like to call Ziploc Chemistry. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my Ziploc bag. And then in one side, I'm gonna put a scoop of calcium chloride. Okay, and on that same side, I'm gonna put a scoop of the baking soda as well, okay? Notice that nothing's happening, okay? There's not really anything to make this reaction go. Some chemicals will react, they're just super reactive and they can react just like this, but these two chemicals are not very reactive as of right now. Okay, so we need to kind of add a little catalyst to make this go. And in this instance, the catalyst is just going to be a water-based pH indicator. So again, the reason I'm adding this is it kind of shows you guys a cool change in color. It shows us a change in pH, which kind of lets us know that we're having a chemical reaction occur. Something else is being produced that's going to change the pH. And then it also kind of shows you guys how you kind of sometimes need the substrate to make a reaction go. So this is going to act as a water base to help these two chemicals mix together. So in the other side of my baggie, I am going to kind of separate each side, and I'm going to add a couple squirts of this phenyl red pH indicator. So they're going to be separated and won't be allowed to mix yet. Okay. Do one more just for fun. And you guys can kind of notice the color of it before. It's this dark red color. And again, it's not mixed with the other stuff yet. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get most of the air out as best I can and zip up my baggie. Okay, and then once I'm ready, I'm gonna go ahead and mix the two sides. So you guys can see the little bubbles. That shows us that there's some kind of gas being produced. You guys can also tell there's gas being produced because my bag, even though it's kind of a large bag, it's starting to kind of fill up with gas. I squeezed most of the air out, but I couldn't get it all. Okay, obviously you guys saw that the phenyl red turned yellow. That means there was definitely a change in the acidity. So now whatever's in this baggie is more acidic than what it was before. Okay. And then what you guys can't feel is that this is getting warm. We have a temperature change here as well. So it's actually getting quite hot. If I feel those little balls of calcium chloride, they're pretty warm. Okay, I can also squeeze them and feel bubbles coming off of them where they're reacting still. And again, you guys can see the gas that's being produced in the bag. It's starting to puff up a little bit. Okay. All right, so that ends this little demonstration for you guys.